Chapter 4 The Milky Eye. Lightning crackles above the city streets. As Josh runs towards King Street, he sees a shadow up ahead. The dark shape reminds him of the strange woman back at the bookstore. She is looking for blank books, thinks Josh. Several minutes later, Josh finds the address. It is an old, crumbling building. A doorman in a faded uniform stands outside. The man is all skin and bones. He smiles at Josh. As Josh nears the building, the doorman leans towards him. He has one green eye and one that's white as milk. The doorman stares at Josh. He opens the heavy door and Josh steps inside. A list of names covers the wall of the narrow entrance. Beside each name is the apartment number. Josh runs his finger down the list. There's no skull anywhere, he says. Then he looks for apartment 13. Next to the number is the name, Harry Gibbon. Josh frowns. Could that be his real name? Josh wonders. Maybe he uses a fake name so that people won't bother him. Josh puts his hand in his jacket pocket. I wonder if he'll think I'm bothering him. But I'm his biggest fan, thinks Josh. I just wanted to tell him how great he is, how he needs to write another book. That wouldn't be bothering him, would it? Josh is not sure. The outside door opens with a loud sucking sound. The doorman sticks his head inside. You know where you're going? He asks Josh. His milky eye gleams in the dim light. Sure, says Josh. I just wanted to dry off before I went upstairs. The doorman slowly nods his head. Josh steps into the huge, dark lobby. His wet shoes squeak against the smooth marble floor. Are you sure you know where you're going? Repeats the doorman. I'm going upstairs now, says Josh. He puts his hand on the cool stone railing and climbs the steps. Stay tuned for Chapter 5.